If you want to quickly remove all bloatware on the Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the security app. Now once you go to the security app, in here we should be able to find the deep clean option. So we're gonna select it. Let's go over there. Now in here in deep clean, you should be able to find uninstall apps option. So you can go over there. And now you can select every app that you want to remove from a phone, every bloatware that you can find on this list. So of course go through this list and decide what you want to remove. Of course we can remove all of the games that we have in here. You can also get rid of a couple of apps that are not games, but they have been pre-installed as well. For example, we have the AliExpress app, we have Amazon Music, and so on and so forth. So of course you can get rid of them as well. Once you select everything, tap on uninstall, and then all of these selected apps are going to be uninstalled pretty much immediately, all at once. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.